Step 1, take some cream and spray it on one hand. Step 2, tickle him on the nose.
Yuji, what the fuck? With this treasure I summon!
You didn't had to summon Big Raga on me.
Says the one who black flashed me.
Alright, I got it. Let me open some music.
No.
Come on, man, stop being a...
I said no! I'm gonna kill myself. First of all, we have to find a way in. After we get in, we have to find a safe where all the money is. Where the hell is the safe?
Your emo ass skipped the safe.
Shut your bitch ass up!
Why are you looking at me like that?
Well, I think we are both cooked.
I don't understand what you're...
Turn around.
What?
Just do it.